Birthday list begins with KELSEN High, celebrating a second birthday. KELSEN, I want you to have a great birthday and a marvelous Christmas in Carterville.
With those beautiful blue eyes. Caliber BEASON, turning 5 years old this year. Look at those mushrooms somebody's been hunting in Sheldon, Missouri. This birthday wish is coming with love from Grandma.
It's a cool name too, I like that. Speaking of cool names, Josiah Palmer celebrating number 12. Josiah, a happy birthday to you in Crestline.
All right, and Whitley Buchanan, turning 20 years old this year. Happy birthday to Whitley in Jasper, Missouri.
And now that we're into the 20s, we find Emily Norris celebrating her 24th birthday. Emily, she is celebrating in Pittsburgh.
And we'll just stay in our 20s for MICAH's birthday. MICAH celebrating number 29. That's a great picture of you, MICAH, in Pittsburgh.
Charity SEUFERT is celebrating her 49th birthday. Yeah. Nice catch there, Charity. Very nice catch.
That's a great shot of that catch, too.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
A very happy birthday to Charity in Humboldt, and I bet she's very proud of her nephew. He goes by the name of Zach Court, and Zach just happens to celebrate his 22nd on Charity's 49th. Now, here's why I bet you Charity is so proud of Zach, because he graduated magna cum laude from Pittsburgh State earlier this month. How great is that? So congratulations to Zach and Charity. I give you credit too for raising such a bright young person. Happy birthday to both of you.
All right, we've got birthday coming up on Tuesday for the lady on the left here in this picture. Her name is SONNA Fanning. She's going to be 82 years old in Commerce, Missouri. The reason why we're showing you her birthday just a few days early is because today is SONNA's younger sister, Crystal Jones's birthday, and of course she's on the right there. She's in Carthage, turning 72 years old.
So my goodness, can you imagine that family when they were kids? They would have had Crystal's birthday, and then they had Christmas, and then right after Christmas they had SONNA's birthday. That's a busy December that you ladies put together for your mom and dad. That's great. WILMA KIMREY is celebrating her 95th birthday, and she hasn't slowed down one bit. Miss Wilma, she's still making homemade pies, candy, and the holiday staple fruitcakes.
Oh, yes.
Wilma, happy birthday. She's in Oswego.
All right. In Columbus, Mr. Ted Garrison celebrating a birthday. I hope it's a great one for you, Ted. Great picture.
The Tersinars with an anniversary. Excuse me, we have Richard Ferguson. I'm sorry, Richard. Richard's birthday was yesterday, and he's allowed to be one day late because obviously he's a tad bit busy when he's at home. That's a great picture right there. A very happy birthday to Richard in Moran.
All right. In Walnut, Kansas, the Tersinars, Robert and Sonja, are celebrating 61 years together. What a milestone there. Congratulations, and hope you have a wonderful holiday.
That is a great picture of the Tersinars as well. I love that with the tree in the back. Who that is? Our own RHONDA ZOOK. She is our KOAM business manager. And once again, sometimes I go off on how important people are that essentially raised me from when I was a young man to the point that I am now. And it's people like RHONDA that taught me what to do when it comes to being an adult at work. And RHONDA, I thank you for everything. Wish you a very happy birthday, and please know that all of us here love and adore you.
And I think this picture has a little bit of a story we need to investigate. Why is RHONDA holding a can of sardines?
Well, there's actually a better question. Why wouldn't RHONDA be holding a can of sardines? How about that?
Well, she's definitely sweeter than a sardine.
That is true. That is definitely true.
Happy birthday, RHONDA. We love you.
Shade Schuberger celebrating a 13th birthday. Shade, now a teenager. Party will commence there in Columbus. Melissa Earl, a happy birthday in Jasper as Melissa celebrates number 51. And Jasmine Sanchez Travis, now 15 years old. And Jasmine, I want you to know birthday wishes come from love, Mom, Dad, and Grandma.
All right, and let's see, we've got Roger and Sandy Smoot celebrating their 10th anniversary this weekend, along with Robert and Helen Travis. 30 years of wedded bliss. They're in Chanute.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club